Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be checking out the Logitech MK470 keyboard and mouse combo. We're going to get some instructions. We're going to get the mouse right here wrapped up, as well as the keyboard. And I almost forgot this little guy, USB dongle to connect both of the devices to your device. Alright, so looking at the keyboard, it looks like it's a fairly slim build overall. The bottom, you got these rubber grips to help you give you a better grip when you're using the keyboard. The top has this gray piece that I don't think it's functional. The only thing that happens is if you pull it up, it actually comes off, and you could see things like the two batteries that keep the keyboard connected, and that's pretty much it. The gray top here doesn't really do anything except give off a pretty cool looking vibe. All right, and then next we have the mouse over here. And this is their new mouse version that Logitech released. This is called the M340, and they're also making the M350, which is pretty much the same thing as this, except the M350 is Bluetooth and this is the USB version. So if we do a click test on this, you can hear that's pretty quiet. And then in comparison, I'm gonna use Logitech's M70 Marathon mouse to show you the difference. So here we go. So that's much louder than this. Definitely really cool. I love how quiet it is compared to the other versions. I like that it's quiet because my office space is right next to my bedroom, and sometimes I'm staying up late working and my wife can hear my mouse clicks late at night, and it makes it really hard for her to fall asleep. But with this, it's really quiet. Definitely digging that. Good decision on Logitech's end here. To connect the keyboard and the mouse to your setup, you're gonna have to use the USB dongle that Logitech provided. This doesn't have a Bluetooth connectivity option, so just keep that in mind in case you don't have a device that has an extra USB port. It says on the box that the battery life for the keyboard is 36 months or 3 years, and the mouse battery life is 18 months or a year and a half. So that's really good because this keyboard and mouse setup is gonna last you a really long time, and you're not gonna have to worry about swapping out the batteries anytime soon with this. The mouse battery is located inside of the mouse, and it comes off this little magnetic thing. So it comes off really easily, and you can get inside of the mouse with the top coming off here, and it runs on one AAA battery. And what's cool about the mouse is you have a little slot here where you can put the USB dongle in case you're traveling with the mouse. That way you don't accidentally lose the dongle. I would compare this mouse to probably Apple Magic Mouse, which has this like really thin profile build, and it's also really lightweight. In terms of build quality, I would say the Apple Magic Mouse is better than this guy. This thing is made of a lightweight plastic material, and it feels like if I drop this thing, it's probably gonna break. I mean, it is only $26 versus the Apple Magic Mouse, which runs for about $70. So yeah, this is, I would say, a good alternative for a Magic Mouse if you're looking for something slim and minimal. Keyboard works on Mac and Windows, but you're not gonna have the command key. On the keyboard, you have the Windows button, and it's just pretty much a standard Windows keyboard. You can adjust the volume with this thing if you're a Mac user. You just have to hold the function key on the keyboard and then like push your media controls or volume. I got some mixed feelings with this keyboard. Logitech is advertising this as a slim, minimal, portable keyboard, but if they wanted to go for that, I feel like they could have taken out the number pad, and that would have made it a lot smaller, a lot more lightweight as well. And then in terms of portability, it doesn't have an off switch, which is like if you're traveling a lot and the keyboard is always on, you're gonna like push buttons and your computer is gonna wake up. So I feel like they could have added like a little on and off switch on the back to make it a little more friendly when you're transporting this thing around. But overall, it is definitely slim. If you look at this thing, it's like 2 millimeters thick. And then you have this keyboard ramp up here that is about ½ an inch tall. The keyboard is not like those cheap $10 keyboards, and the mouse doesn't feel really cheap either. So I would say if you're looking for something that's like fairly budget but not like the bottom of the barrel in terms of peripherals, this is a pretty solid option. If you're interested in picking up this solid keyboard and mouse combo by Logitech, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comments down below. Also, if you want to see videos like this in the future, click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.